Okay, if you've overfilled your coolant because you weren't being careful enough, then I'm going to show you a trick for getting it out. Take the cap off. Okay, and for now, let's just pretend that I overfilled mine on purpose to show you this, and it wasn't actually an accident because I wasn't paying attention. Get yourself a spritzer bottle. Make sure it's clean, and something to empty the content into. And then all you do you just get yourself a little spritzer bottle like the one that comes with the ACF 50. What I'm actually going to do, because I appear to be spraying out the side, just going to put a rag in the back there to protect it a little bit. So just keep spraying until your level is back to the full mark. Just check that level, still quite a bit above. Okay, I'm now level with the upper limit, so that's enough. And what I shall do now is just wipe over all of the bits where there was some spray. And now we put the filler cap back on. We reattach the guard. Tighten that up. Get our cover back on with the poppers, and then attach the screw into there. And there we go. Coolant overfill emptied. Job done.